There's something I want, but money inside.
Ba't may nilalaksan? Oh my God! Ba't may nilalaksan? Hey, what's up everybody? It's Marinelle. So if you haven't subscribed on my channel, so please do subscribe on my channel and don't forget to press that ring button so every time I'm going to upload, you're going to be notified, and follow me on my social media and especially in Instagram, so I'm active there. So further ado, let's get started. I'm going to use this clip, so I'm going to put out all my hairs, so like that. So all the shades that I have is Andre, V, and Dion or D1. So I got here the three shades, the most popular shades in Colourette. So I have here the Andre, V, am I right? Yeah, V and Dion. So this is the most favorite shades in Colourette. So I'm just going to focus. So since morning they keep on singing karaoke, and every weekends they're like that. I don't know why. It's birthday, it's rest day, and they're doing this kind of noise. It really keeps me awake. Yeah, so there's a pot. First, we're going to use this Andre, and so this is the look we're going to make, like natural look, but it's like there's that thing, and this is Moira's look. Let's say it's Moira's look because she's the only one girl that I know that always doing this kind of makeup. So this is her. So I'm done to my eyebrows. I'm done to my foundation, conditioner, what? Concealer and mascara, like that. So contour I'm done, and so I'm going to do is my eyeshadow, blush, and lipstick. So first is we're going to put a little bit in your hand. So just like that. So every time you're going to use, you need to close it because it's liquid, and once it natapon, wala na. It's working. Yeah, it's working. My gosh! Okay. Ba't may nilalaksan? Oh my God! Ba't may nilalaksan? So yeah, the volume's up, and yeah. Thank you. Hininaan nila, guys. So by the way, you can use your finger, or you can use makeup brush. So it depends on you how to do your eyeshadow. So now we're done to our eyeshadow. Next is the blush. You're blending it, it's like there's kind of oily feeling. Once you blend it well, the oil is not like still not. So Andre is like not a shade type of for my lips, so I'm going to use this Dion. That's it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and go check out all my videos and follow me on my social media in Instagram and Twitter. And also remember, beauty is feeling you. Bye.
I'm not gonna waste anymore.